So Screencast O Matic is probably one of the oldest screencasting tools or programs on the internet. It started way back when I was in the classroom, and it really focuses on a nice, clean, streamlined way for you to be able to share video and speech with students. So it downloads as a program. Now, I've said with the other Screencastify, that's actually an extension that is added to a browser. In this case, you're going to have to actually download the program onto your computer and install it as a program. But what's great is that once it's installed, it allows you to have unlimited recording time, which you don't really want to have that unlimited because you don't want to make it too long, but it allows for editing, and it allows for hosting online. So the program is totally free, just so you can see the pricing. It's important to talk about that. So for a solo plan, you can record for free, and if you want editing effects and deluxe and whatever you want, you have to pay for the deluxe or premiere accounts. But as I said, with free, it's totally effective for you to be able to quickly create videos. And it's pretty simple. Essentially, what you're going to do is you're just going to download the program. You're going to pull up whatever it is on your screen that you want to record. You're going to hit the record button at the bottom left, and when you're done, you hit stop, and it will save the file save the video as a file on your computer that you can then upload or share to whoever you want to. It's very clean and efficient, and it allows for that unlimited recording time, which I mentioned before. And it's, like I said, it's one of the oldest screencasting softwares out there, and it's definitely very reliable. So check it out. If you have any questions, gbailey@swboses.org.